Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing one of my favorite jewelry company rings, Kozakh. If you know, then you know. Here we go. I cut it open, but here's the, wow, whoa. Oh, hello there. Your day just got so much better. Thank you, Kozakh. Sustainably handmade in the US. Wow, custom card to me, saying how happy they are for me to be a customer. And wow, you can safely clean and wear your pieces without damaging the gold layer. If your jewelry, wow, okay, that is quality. Wow, let's check out the back of this card. Your jewelry comes with a lifetime quality guarantee. That means free repairs for life. So that is why Kozakh is one of my favorite jewelry companies. Let's go. This is the Bernadine ring in emerald color. It's like gold core or something like that. Got it for myself. Just playing. I got it for someone else. Here we go. Oh, okay, now it's just an invoice. All right. Wow, wow, it comes in a cool baggie. Whoa, this is sustainably handcrafted jewelry. All right. Wow, beautiful things inside. Beautiful like all of my YouTube viewers and subscribers. You guys are all beautiful today. Here we go. Tell yourself that. Wow, what is this? Some like microfiber cleaning cloth? Oh, no, the ring's in here. What's this? This is some wow, look at all that they include. It's like microfiber on microfiber on microfiber. All right, so I think this is for cleaning. Here we go, what you've all been waiting for. The emerald Bernadine ring in emerald. My favorite piece from Kozakh. Wow. You guys see this? Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, hold on. Wow. Look at this. That is so beautiful. Wow. There you have it. Unboxing Kozakh Bernadine ring. Cool. Hope you're all doing well. See you next time. Bye.